Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, welcome to Moshir English, a systematic English learning channel. Dear students, it is the turn of learning punctuation. Punctuation is so interesting to learn. You can learn it very easily. Some signs or marks are used at the beginning, at the middle, at the end of a sentence to express the feelings of mind. The signs or marks we used at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of a sentence to express the feelings of our mind are known as punctuation. Punctuation is of 15 kinds, such as number 1, full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, dash, colon dash, hyphen, apostrophe. Okay, let me write on the whiteboard. Topic is punctuation. 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 Some marks, M-A-R-K-S, some marks are used at the beginning, or at the middle, M-I-D-D-L-E, or at the end of a sentence. To express the feelings of mind, clearly, they are known as punctuation. 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 Punctuation is of 15 kinds. 1. Full stop. Number 1, full stop. Number 2, comma. Number 2, comma. Number 3, colon. Number 4, colon, semicolon. After colon, I will use semicolon. SEMICOLON. Number 5, full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, interrogative mark, interrogative mark. Okay. Six, exclamatory mark. exclamatory mark, then hyphen, dash, colon dash, hyphen, dash, colon dash, then hyphen, colon dash, apostrophe, five kinds are yet left: apostrophe, colon dash, apostrophe, bracket, brackets, parenthesis, 13. Yet 3 are yet left: ellipsis, asterisk, and which one? Inverted comma. Inverted comma. Inverted comma. Ellipsis, 15, asterisk. Dear students, I have written 15 kinds on the whiteboard. Number 1, full stop, then comma, then colon, semicolon, interrogative mark, exclamatory mark, hyphen, dash, colon dash, apostrophe, brackets, parenthesis, inverted comma, ellipsis, asterisk. But marks are yet left. I have not used or shown any marks here. Full stop. What is the sign of mark full stop? Like this. This one is full stop. Okay, I am using the first bracket. Comma, which one is comma? This one is comma. Colon, which one is colon? This one is colon. Semicolon means half colon. Okay, semicolon. Interrogative mark, question mark, exclamatory mark is like that. It is like that. Hyphen, it is hyphen. Dash, it is dash. Colon dash, colon as well as dash, colon dash. Apostrophe is like comma, but it is upper level of a word, and normal comma is lower level of a word. Bracket, this one is bracket. Parenthesis, also it is like bracket. You can also give the bracket in this way. Inverted comma, like 6699, like 6699, inverted comma. Ellipsis, like dot, some dots together. Ellipsis, asterisk, star. Okay, dear students, I have already shown all the signs or marks used in a sentence. Okay, those are punctuation marks. Okay, dear students, I have already finished showing about punctuation. If you have any question, you can write in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer. Dear students, if you would like to know more You can watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.